Start recording checkbox not checked.
Okay, guys, so I'm working on another project with Superbase and Next.js and Shad, CN, and whatever else I can dream up here. So I'm ultimately going to make like a project app, tracker app where you can put in a project and then you can add tasks to those projects and then you can track how long you've been working on them by clicking start and stop and all that kind of stuff. So I have the new project page already created. So I'm working on creating the root project page now. So I need to create an action to get all projects. So
Videos row 1 column 2.
I like to do my stuff from back to front. So I create the back end and then the front end. So I'm going to create my action here.
OBS 30 page.tsx page. Main landmark S. Files middleware.ts component. App not selected collapse 2 expand level 2 actions not level 3 projects user.ts not selected 2 of 2 level 3 projects main landmark projects.ts editor has autocomplete right brace blank
Alright. Export
suggest ex error project
function
get one get date 1 get projects.ts editor has
projects
left right brace blank data 1 of error 1 of 15 projects.ts editor has await create client left paren right paren dot from left paren quote projects quote right paren dot select left paren quote start quote right paren semi inspect this in the accessible view left paren alt plus F2 right accessible view main landmark semi line feed format if left paren error right paren left brace throw error semi right brace inspect this in the accessible view mainland right brace line feed return data semi inspect this in the accessible view left paren alt plus F2 right paren accessible view main landmark projects.ts editor.
Now, the nice thing, you may be wondering where the heck my where clause is if you're new to Superbase. The nice thing about Superbase is if you put in row level security, it automatically adds a where clause for you with your row level security policy. So I have, for all select, insert, update, and delete, I have so they can only edit their own projects. So I have a user ID in the projects table, which links to the auth schema users table, and I have row level security that says they can only deal with their own projects. So that's kind of cool.
Format.
Save
check
that.
457 millisecond.
See if there's any problems.
No problems.
No problems. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into
Files Explorer. Level 2 actions not selected collapsed. Level 1 app not selected expanded 2 of 18.
I'm gonna create a new folder under projects.
Menu. New file. New folder. 2 of 12. Files Explorer tree view. Type file name. Press enter. Error colon. A file or folder ** project ** already exists at this location.
Whoops.
Please choose a different name. App not selected expanded 2 of 18 level 2 projects not selected collapsed expanded level 4 page.tsx not selected 1 of 1 level 3 new compact projects level 2 projects not selected expanded 1 of 1.
Alright, so now I'm gonna add a page TSX.
Menu. New file. 1 of Files Explorer tree view. Type file name. Main landmark. Page.tsx editor has
Gonna be a
autocomplete
server
multi-line
component. For now, anyway. So I'm going to import
page.
create client.
Create context error error suggest list create client at supabase/supabase-js 1 of 41 create client at /util/supabase/server 2 of page.tsx editor has autocomplete blank semi blank import left brace redirect right brace from quote next /navigation quote semi inspect this in the access
export
circle page.ts
default
page.ts suggest
function
async function statement 1 of 30 Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line export default async function. Index left paren, right paren, left brace return less div greater welcome to my project tracker.less/div greater semi, right brace, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren, error.
I'm not gonna accept
Index
that.
1
I'm
of
gonna
1,
make
page,
my
right
own.
right brace, left brace, right brace, blank. Import left
Oh, I
brace, line
forgot to
feed,
import my
line
get
feed,
all projects from my
import left
action
brace
here.
reader,
So
import,
I'm gonna import
page,
get
get,
all.
suggest list, get all projects, /action/ projects 1 of 25, page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line import left brace get all projects right brace, get all projects, spit G-E-T-A. Rename input, type new name and press enter to commit. Edit select G-E-T-A. L-A-L-L-P-R-O-J-E-C-T blank.
Get all projects with the A capitalized.
Successfully renamed get all projects to get all projects. Summary : made 1 text edits in 1 file. Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line import left brace get all projects as get all projects right brace from quote /action/projects quote semi.
That wasn't what I wanted. I mean, that kind of works, but I wanted it to rename the actual function.
Left get all as get all project as get all projects selected right brace get all project G golf
Let me
found 1 symbol in C :
go to the definition.
left paren get all projects.
Rename
Rename
it.
input. Type new name and G-E-T-A-L-A-L-L-P-R-O-J-E-C-T blank. Projects.ts editor has autocomplete multi-line export async function get all projects left paren, right paren, left brace, successfully renamed get all projects to get all projects. Summary : made 2 text edits in 2 files, format.
There we go. That's what I wanted.
Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line import left brace get all projects right brace from quote /action/ export default async function index left paren blank.
So I'm gonna say const data.
Data 1 of 4.
Call data projects.
Projects 1 of 3. Page.tsx at right brace. Error, blank, error.
Actually, no, I'm not. Because I'm not making a super base call. I'm calling an action. I'm gonna say
C. Const left brace date line feed.
const project.
Project error. Projects 1 of 3. Error. Page.tsx suggest list. Et all projects left paren, right paren, semi. In accessible view. Explore mainland semi blank. Console.log left paren. Projects right paren, semi. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Return 1 of 29. Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line return left paren, right paren, error. Error. Left paren, n, left brace, right brace, left brace.
Wait a minute.
R E T E R N left brace. Right paren. Right paren, blank, right paren. Blank. Circle page greater, less. Blank.
I'm gonna do an H1.
H11 page.t greater, less. Greater, less. Well, blank.
Select the project.
On circle page.ts suggest list. Project 1 of 1. Page blank, less /H1 line greater line feed.
And I'm gonna do
less all greater. Inspect this in the accessible view left. Alt 1 of page.tsx greater, less. / left great L great less. Blank.
And I'm gonna do
projects 1 of 4. Suggest list. Symbol 1 of 4. Symbol 1 of 1. Error. Error. Project right paren equals greater left paren. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Alt plus F2 right paren. Error. Accessible view. Mainland left paren. Right paren. Left greater equals greater left right paren. Right brace. Right left paren. Right paren.
So
Left
I'm gonna
blank.
return li.
Key equals left brace project.id right brace greater. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Accessible view. Explore mainland greater line feed. Project.name. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Accessible view. Explore main landmark E. Right line feed.
Actually, I'm going to make that a link. So I'm going to...
Leslie. Key. Import left brace, line, semi, line feed. Import left brace, redirect right. Import, page. Suggest list, from page. Next, link 2 of 2, error. Page.tsx, I, M, O, R, T, space, left brace. L, I, N, right brace. Space. Right, blank, less slash div, blank, less slash L greater, blank, right paren, right brace, blank, Leslie key equals left brace project dot id right brace greater left brace project dot name right brace left brace Leslie key less greater Leslie key equals project dot I right greater left project greater left brace b left brace.
So I'm going to do link.
Error error suggest list link 1 of 90. Page.tsx editor head
href equals
one page.t left brace left equals left brace project 1 error suggest page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line Leslie key equals left brace project.id right brace greater less link ref equals left brace grab slash project slash dollar left brace project.id right brace left brace project.name right brace error 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 error.
Yeah, I know there's errors. NVDA, I'll fix them.
Greater less slash I N K N I L slash less greater less let L isolate case greater selected left brace project unselected line right brace E right line feed greater line feed blank right paren right brace blank Leslie key equals left brace project blank.
Now I'm gonna do a
project.description. Inspect this in the accessible view explore main landmark right brace line feed Leslie key equals left brace project.description left brace error
put a line break
line
in there.
right brace line feed.
This all make it changed by my designer.
Suggest list link 1 of 6620 Lee grade circle page.tsx dash time dash tracker dash visuals page.tsx blank right paren right brace error showing 3 problems tree view error colon property map does not exist on type promise less left brace description colon string bar null semi do line date colon string bar null semi id colon main landmark less all greater left brace projects dot map left blank select less h1 less div return left paren const projects equals get all projects left paren right paren.
Oh, I need to wait that. Okay.
Charlie export default async function in const projects equal get all g page dot showing 1 problems tree view error colon expected at line 16 and character 2 main landmark page.t right brace line feed right line feed less slash u l greater blank right paren right brace error Leslie key left brace projects dot map left paren project right paren equals greater left paren Leslie key equals less br slash greater left brace project dot description right paren right brace error less br slash greater left brace project dot description right brace less slash lee greater right paren right brace error
Maybe I don't need the right
line
brace
feed
there.
right brace right paren right brace inspect this in the access showing 1 problems tree view error colon expected at line 18 and character 1 main landmark less slash l greater blank right paren left brace projects dot map left paren project right paren equals greater less right paren blank right paren line feed right paren line feed
I think I need a right parenthesis.
right brace inspect
And then a right brace.
format
And now
showing 2 problems tree view error colon top dash level await expressions are only allowed when the module option is set to ES 2022 as next system node 16 node next or preserve and the target option is set to ES 2017 or higher at line 5 and character 18 main landmark export default async function index left paren left brace Await unselected.
Oh.
Line, right brace. Line feed. Const projects equals await, return left paren. Blank. Format. No problems have been detected.
There
Main
we
landmark.
go. Alright. Now let's see if it works.
Videos row 1 column 2 2 OBS 30 time tracker Google time track blank main landmark welcome to my project navigation visited link projects
If I go to project,
visited link enter new out of list dialog unhandled runtime error
whoop,
unhandled runtime error dialog error link is a void element tag and must neither have children nor use dangerously set inner HTML unhandled runtime error navigation landmark button unavailable graphic previous button unavailable graphic next 1 of 1 error next.js 1.4.2.3 button close error dangerously set inner h error link is a void element tag and link is a void a is link space link space I dangerous heading level 2 call stack button collapsed page.tsx
it doesn't like the link.
import left brace create client import link from quote next slash I link space link space import export default async const projects equals await get all return left less div less h1 greater less l greater left brace projects dot map less leaky equals left less link ref equals left brace less l
Oh, because I can capitalize link.
error suggest lit page dot t less l
See if that works.
less br slash left brace project dot description right brace less link ref equals left line greater link error I l error suggest list link 1 of 1 no problem main landmark time tracker navigation landmark list with 3 items button logout out of list with 3 items link testing description link testing out of list heading level 1 select a project list testing link testing link testing out of list clickable
They're all the same because I put them in all the same. So I think that's working.
main
If I
link
click
testing
on one of these,
link testing description link testing new testing description link testing time tracker navigation landmark list with 3 items button logout visited link projects visited link enter new project out of list main landmark heading level 1 404
because I didn't create a project page for an individual project yet. So that's my next task, is to create a project page for an individual project. So that worked out pretty well.
page.tsx page.tsx-time-tracker-visual studio code files
So next, the way you do routing with a parameter is you have a folder with the parameter name in brackets. So I'm under projects, I'm going to create a folder with an ID parameter.
level 2 projects not selected expanded 4 of 11 menu new file new folder files explorer tree view level 2 tree view item not selected expanded level 3 left bracket ID right bracket collapsed 1 of 3
And I'm going to create a page.tx under that.
menu new file new folder new file 1 of 12 files explorer tree view
And I'm trying to use server components more because that's the way next.js. I've been mucking everything use client in my other projects, but
left
I'm
main
trying to
landmark
actually use server components more. So
blank blank
let's see. I think we have it right now.
files level 3 left bracket ID right bracket not selected expanded 1 of 3 level 4 page.tsx main landmark
Alright. Let's see. Import. What do I want to show on my thing for my individual project? First of all, I need to figure out how to get the URL parameter. I know there's a use params hook, but you can't use hooks in server components. So how do you get the URL parameter from next.js in a server component? I'm sure there's a function for that.
localhost
Let me
videos
do a
column
Google
3
search.
localhost 3000 slash toolbar
Getting URL parameter
Select
from server component next.js.
google.com/. This site can clickable main landmark clickable search results heading clickable link heading level 3 how to get query perms using server component next 13 link Stack Overflow link http button about this in roots you can use req.next url.search perms which returns url search perms.u get a specific perm by req.next url.search perms get link 8 answers. Top answer: I don't think it's currently possible to do this in an arbitrary component. However, it is. Link how can I? Link get the link URL path name on a link server component next.js. Clickable people also ask heading clickable get URL perms next.js 13 heading level 3 link entry link h button about this the problem in next.js 13 you may need to access the URL parameters at a particular route and use those parameters in a child component. Clickable visited link heading level 3 how to get dynamic route perms from server components. Visited link GitHub. Visited link heading level 3 how to get dynamic route perms from server components.
There we go, this is what I want.
How to get dynamic route banner main landmark clickable how to get unanswered link renow link menu heading with the new app router dynamic parameters are provided to certain server components like layout and page through the perms prop. For other server components used inside a layout or page, it appears that it is necessary to pass any dynamic perms as props, since context doesn't work for server components.
Okay, so you have a perms prop.
Page.tsx dash blank.
See what we got here. If I do export
Page.tsx editor has autocomplete
default.
Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line export default. Suggest why function 3 of 34. Index left paren, right paren, left brace. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren. Handler left paren, req, residential right paren, left brace const left brace query, perms right brace equals req semi, const left brace id right brace equals perm semi, const left brace page right brace equals query semi, const left brace default colon.
No, Copilot, you have it wrong. What you're doing, but
Function n space blank error. Project 1 of 9 page.ts project right brace right paren left brace inspect the search perms 1 of 1 error. Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line export default async function project left paren left brace perms right brace right paren right paren left brace. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren alt plus F right paren blank. Return less right brace left brace right brace. Showing 1 problems tree view level 2 error colon binding element perms implicitly has an any type at line 1 and character 40 generated by ts1 of 1. Main landmark page.tsx how to get dynamic perms prop. For other server components used inside a layout or page, it appears that it is.
I wonder if I can just do ID.
Page.ts circle page.tsx-time-tracker-visual studio code. Circle page.tsx-time-tracker-visual studio code document. Application. Main landmark. Page.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line export default async function project left paren, left brace perms right paren, left brace right brace. Right brace, left brace. Right perms, left paren, left brace, B-A-R-A-M, right brace. Error. Async 1 of 3. Format. Page. Showing 1. Problems tree view. Error colon. Binding element any implicitly has an any type. At line 1 and character. Main landmark. Space. Y. Space. Y. A. Colon. S. Colon. A. N. Y. Space. S. Space. Right paren. Error. Error. Any 1 of 85. Page. Y. Right paren. Space. Left brace. Right brace.
Will that make TypeScript happy?
No problems have been.
Yeah. Okay.
Right brace.
So now we've got. Let me go make my action now.
Files level 3 collapsed. Level 2 projects not select. Level 1 app not selected. Expand. Level 2 actions not. Level 3 project user.ts not. Projects.ts not selected. 1 of 2. Level 2 auth not. Level projects.ts. Main landmark. Right brace. Export async function get all projects left. If right return date right brace blank.
Okay.
Suggest. Projects. Suggest. Ace. Function. Projects.ts editor. Get one of the. Get project. Get
project by ID.
Left paren. ID colon. String right paren. Left brace const left brace data. Error right brace equals await create client left paren. Right paren. Dot from left paren. Quote projects quote right paren. Dot select left paren. Quote star quote right paren. Dot eq left paren. Quote ID right paren. Semi. If left paren. Error right paren. Left brace throw error semi. Right brace invariant left paren. Data. Quote project data is required quote right paren. Semi. Return. Data left bracket 0 right bracket semi. Right brace. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Alt plus F2 right paren. ID colon. String right paren. Left brace const left brace data. Accessible view. Mainland. Return data semi. Right brace. Return data. Right. Throw error semi. If left paren. Error right paren. Left dot single left paren. Right paren. Semi.
There we go. Okay, so that looks like that should be good.
No problems have been.
There's no
Mainland.
problems.
Format.
Save that. Close that.
Page.tsx editor has blank. Export default async function project left paren. Blank.
Const project.
Suggest error. Project one of page.
Oh wait.
Circle page. Suggest list. Get pack settings. Suggest. Get project by ID. @ /app /action /projects 1 of 3. Page.tsx editor. D. Blank. ID colon. String. Int. Perms. Page. Circle page. Page.ts. Error. Suggest list. ID 1 of 21. ID 1 of 7. Page D. Right. Blank.
I'm going to first. I'm going to use the project form that I had on my new page.
Import left brace get project by line feed semi line feed. Suggest page
Project form.
project next /dist /build project next /dist load project info project next load projector get projects projector icon project option get project by ID @ /app /action page.tsm. Import left brace project FO right line feed. Page. Form from quote @ component /project form quote semi. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Alt plus F2 right paren. Project accessible view. Mainland semi line format. Blank. Const export default async func const project equals await get project by ID left paren. Line feed semi line feed. Showing for problems tree view. Level 2 error colon. Merge declaration project cannot include a default export declaration. Consider adding a separate export default project declaration instead. At line 4 and main landmark, export default async function project left paren, left brace perms right brace colon, left brace perms colon, blank, import project form from quote @ component /project form quote semi. Page.tsx import left brace get project by ID right brace from quote @ app imp blank, export default async function project left paren, left brace perms right brace colon, def async project spit p r suggest list p1 of 7 showing 2 problems tree view error colon top dash level await expressions are only allowed when the module option is set to ES main landmark line feed right brace left brace right brace line feed blank format no problems have been main landmark right brace const project equals await get project by ID left paren perms.id right paren.
I like to fix my TypeScript errors even if I'm not done with the project or page or whatever because it seems to keep me on the right track and not have problems later. So anyway.
Right brace. Blank. Right const project equal export default async function project left paren. Const project equals await get project by ID left line feed semi line feed. Return left paren, less greater less h1 greater edit project less /h1 greater less project form project equals left brace project right brace /greater less /greater right paren, semi, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren. Accessible view, main landmark, page.tsx editor has auto, less /greater, less project form project equals left brace project right brace /greater, less h1 greater edit project less greater. Return left paren.
For now, that'll work.
No problems have been detected in the workspace. Section. Main landmark, page.t. How to get dynamic root params from how to get dynamic root params from server toolbar.
I'm gonna do
L
local
S
hub.
T colon 3 0 unselected slash unselect C T S localhost 3000 slash project slash new selected time tracker navigation button lock visited link enter new project out of list main landmark heading level 1 new project nav visited link projects visited link enter new out of list main landmark heading level 1 select a project list with 3 items link testing out of list description edit testing name heading level 1 edit project name edit testing main landmark name edit testing testing selected
Now I'm gonna test and see if this works. Second project. Update.
testing description edit selected testing description due date edit month due date spin button 05 day due date spin button 01 year due date spin button 2024 show date picker menu button save button clickable menu button sub menu show date picker button clickable blank main landmark button save clickable menu button sub menu show date picker spin due date edit this edit button log out visited link projects visited link enter new out of list main landmark heading level 1 selected list with 3 items visited link testing description link testing description visited link testing this is a description of a project visited link testing second project update this is a description of a project.
There we go. So the update worked, the redirect I didn't put a redirect in there. Let me do that. Also I'm gonna add the due date to this display here.
Page.tsx time tracker files explorer tree view level 4 page.tsx 1 of 1 level 3 left bracket ID right bracket not selected expanded 1 of 3
Alright.
collapsed level 2 projects not selected login not select auth not select level 3 user projects.ts level 2 actions not selected expanded 1 of level 3 projects.ts main landmark .eq left paren .select left paren .from left paren const left brace data export date right brace return date right brace throw error semi if left paren error right paren const left brace export a right brace return redirect left paren grab slash project slash dollar left brace id right brace grab right brace throw error semi if left paren error right paren .eq left paren quote id quote .update left brace name description do line date right brace right paren if left paren throw error semi right brace return redirect left paren grab slash project slash dollar left brace id right brace grab right paren semi
Okay, so the redirect is there, it just redirects back to itself, so it didn't change anything. Gotcha. Alright, that was my lovely idea. Am I going to keep it that way or not? I'll keep it that way for now. So let's
files user.ts not select level 2 auth not selected collapse 2 project level 2 actions not selected expanded 1 of 11 level 1 app not selected expanded 2 of 8 level user.ts level 2 auth not selected collapse 2 of 11 level 1 app not selected collapsed expanded level 3 projects.ts 1 of 2 user.ts not projects level 2 actions not collapsed projects not selected expanded level 3 left bracket id right bracket not selected collapsed 1 of 3 new not selected expanded 2 of 3 level collapsed page.tsx main landmark less key equals left brace project.id right brace greater less link ref equals left brace grab slash project slash dollar left brace project.id right brace less br slash greater left brace project.description right brace import left brace create client right brace from quote at slash u blank
I'm going to import the date time my best, so
page
format the date.
use effect use state right brace from quote suggest list date time Luxon 1 of 300 page.tsx editor has import export const return left less di less h1 grade less all greater left brace projects.map less key equals less link less all great less h1 greater select a project less slash h less all greater left brace projects.map left paren less br slash greater left brace project.description less slash lee greater left brace project.description right brace line right brace line feed less br slash greater inspect this in the due date colon, left brace date time dot from ISO left paren, project dot do line date right paren, dot to locale string left paren, right brace, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren. Accessible view, explore actions, main landmark, right brace, line feed. Format.
Alright, now let's...
Showing 1, problems tree view, error colon, argument of type string bar null is not assignable to parameter of type string. Type null is not assignable to type string. At line 17 and character 41, main landmark, B, R, B, left paren, B, R, O, J, E, C, T, dot, D, E, lot, D, A, T, E, right paren. Error.
And I'm going to say if that's no, put a blank
Format.
in there. Type
No
tip
problems have
happy,
been,
there
main
we
line.
go.
Time tracker document, due date, 5/1/2024. Out of list clickable. Main, this is a description of a project, visited link testing second project update.
Now if I update the due date, will it change?
Out of list clickable spin button 2024. Main landmark, due date edit, day due date spin button 01, month due date spin button 00, day due date spin button 01, year due date spin button 2020, show date picker menu, save button. Clickable menu button sub menu show date picker, spin button 2020, spin button 05, spin button 06 slash, navigation land, enter new project visited link, main landmark, projects visited link. Visited link enter new, out of list main landmark heading level 1 select a list with 3 items visited link testing description, due date, 5/1/2024, link testing description, due date, 5 visited link testing second project, this is a description of a project, due date, 6/5/2024.
Here we go. Alright. I think we've got the project thing pretty well taken care of. Project tasks. So underneath the project, I'm going to have tasks. And I'm not sure if I created a Superbase table for this or not. So I'm going to go to
7:25 p.m.
my
page.tsx, time tracker dot toolbar,
dashboard for
unselected
Superbase.
dot co Superbase, the open source Firebase alternative. Elements list dashboard, clickable, alert button, dashboard Superbase, clickable heading level 4 dashboard. List with 1 item visited link all project, out of list organizations, list with 4 items link preferences, link access tokens. Find dialog. Dashboard Superbase document, out of menu list with 5 items visited link time tracker. List. West Brucey 16's org soup, out of region, notifications, out of region blank. Main landmark link explore off. Visited link about off. Connect project stat clickable button collapsed opens dial, enable branching, time tracker button collapsed opens, navigation land, home, table edit, SQL edit, table editor button. Time tracker West Brucey 16's org soup, table editor heading, button collapsed opens dialog public, button new table. Search tables, searched, menu, button view projects. Menu button collapse submenu, button view tasks, separator 1. Main landmark clickable button West Brucey 16's org. Button view tasks. View tasks
See
button
what fields I have in here. I know I don't have any records in tasks, but let me
main landmark table with 1 row and 9, column 2 clickable button, ID, int 8, menu button clickable, column 3 clickable button, project ID.
So I have project ID.
Edge of table. But column 4 clickable due date timestamp, column 5 clickable name text, column 6 clickable description, column 7 clickable status text, column 8 clickable button user ID UU, edge of table, column.
And I have a user ID to enforce the row security thing. Row level security from Superbase. So let me see what I need to do. Create my actions.
Page.tsx, page.t, files explorer, level 2 project, collapsed. Level 1 app not selected, expanded 2 of 18, level 2 actions not, auth not selected, login not select, actions, level 3 projects, user.ts not selected, level 2 actions not selected, expanded 1 of 11. menu, new file, new folder, 2 of 12, new file, Files Explorer tree view, error colon, action, main landmark, tasks.ts editor has autocomplete multi-line blank. Quote semi, inspect this. Import left brace create client right brace from quote at slash util slash supabase slash server quote semi, inspect this in the accessible view, main landmark. Import left brace redirect right brace from quote next slash navigation quote semi, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren. Accessible view, explore, main landmark, tasks.ts editor has autocomplete multi-line import left brace redirect right brace from quote next slash navigation quote semi. Export async function sign out left paren, right paren, left brace await create client left paren, right paren, dot auth dot sign out left paren, right paren, semi, return redirect left paren, quote slash quote right paren, semi, right brace, inspect this in the accessible view, export, suggest, cert, function, sign out, create 1 of 11, create client, data right paren, left brace const left brace name, description, do line date, project line ID right brace equals data semi, const left brace data colon, user data, error colon, user error right brace equals await create client left paren, right paren, dot auth dot get user left paren, right paren, left k, left, right paren. Data 1 of 11, tasks.ts, error, form data 1 of 14, tasks.ts editor, a, right paren, blank. Left brace, right brace. Const ID equals data dot get left paren, quote ID quote right paren, as string semi, const title equals data dot get left paren, quote title quote right paren, as string semi, const description equals data dot get left paren, quote description quote right paren, as string semi, const do line date equals data dot get left paren, quote do line date quote right paren, as string semi, const project line ID equals data dot get left paren, quote project line ID quote right paren, as string semi, if left paren, ID equals quote 0 quote right paren, left brace const left brace data, error right brace equals await create client left paren, right paren, dot from left paren, quote tasks quote right paren, dot insert left paren, left brace title, description, do line date, project line ID right brace right bracket right paren, dot select left paren, quote ID quote right paren, semi, if left paren, error right paren, left brace. Throw error semi, right brace return redirect left paren, grab slash project slash dollar left brace project line ID right brace grab right paren, semi, right brace else left brace const left brace error right brace equals await create client left paren, right paren, dot from left paren, quote tasks quote right paren, dot update left brace title, description, do line date right paren, dot eq left paren, quote ID right paren, semi, if left paren, error right paren, left brace throw error semi, accessible view.
I'm going to accept this
Main landmark.
profile suggestion because it is pretty much what I want, although title is not. See if TypeScript picks that
Showing
up.
1. Error, colon, no overload matches this call. Overload 1 of 2, left paren, values colon, left brace description colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, do line date colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, ID colon, undefined semi, name colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, project line ID colon, number bar null bar undefined semi, status colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, user line ID colon, string bar. One more. Bar undefined semi, right brace, options colon, left brace, semi, right brace bar undefined right paren, colon, Postgres filter builder less, greater, main landmark, dot from left paren, dot insert left paren, dot select left paren, quote ID, dot insert left paren, left bracket left brace title, dot const if left paren, const project line ID, const do line date, const description const title equals data dot get left paren, quote title quote right paren, as string c. Rename input. Type new name and press enter to commit. Edit selected title. Selection removed. Tasks.ts editor has autocomplete multi-line const name equals data dot get left paren, quote title quote right paren, as strings, line feed, as quote title, quote t, quote. Format. Showing 1, problems tree view. Error colon, no overload matches this call. Overload 1 of 2, left paren, values colon, left brace description colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, do line date colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, ID colon, undefined semi, name colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, project line ID colon, number bar null bar undefined semi, status colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, user line ID colon, string bar. One more. Bar undefined semi, right brace, options colon, left brace, semi, right brace bar undefined right paren, colon, Postgres filter builder less, greater, gave the following error. Type left brace title colon, string semi, description colon, string semi, do line date colon, string semi, project line ID colon, string semi, right brace left bracket has no properties in common with type left brace description colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, do line date colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, ID colon, undefined semi, name colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, project line ID colon, number bar null bar, undefined semi, status colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, user line ID colon, string bar. One more. Bar undefined semi, right brace. Overload 2 of 2, left paren, values colon, left brace description colon, string bar null bar undefined, main landmark, const description equals data dot get left, const name equals data dot get, const do line date, const project line I, if left paren, ID equal, const left brace data, error right brace equals await create client left paren, right paren, dot from left paren, quote tasks quote right paren, dot insert left paren, left brace title colon, name, description, do line date, project line ID right brace right bracket right paren, error, dot, ins, left paren, title, colon, E, L, T, I, T, space, left brace, space, T, I, T, F, E, space, N. Showing 1, problems tree view. Error colon, no overload matches this call, main landmark, tasks.ts editor head, left paren, left bracket left brace, name, comma, description, comma, do line, comma, project line, right brace right bracket, space, D, I, D, space. User line ID colon, quote, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus F2 right paren. Suggest list, tattoos colon quote toto quote, inspect this in the accessible. Status. 1 of 1, error, status, tasks.t, error. Quote, D, quote, space, right brace, quote, space, format.
I need to get the user, okay.
Dot insert left, dot from, const, if left paren, const project line, const do line date equals date, const description equals data dot get left, const name equals date, const ID, export async function create, const ID equals data dot get left paren, quote I, C. Blank. Circle tasks.ts dash time dash tracker dash Visual Studio Code document, ID equals data dot get, data, error, data 1 of 5, tasks.ts editor, error, user 1 of 8, user data 1 of 1. Tasks.ts editor has await tasks.ts editor has autocomplete multi-line const left brace data colon user suggest create client 1 of 60 tasks.ts dot auth dot get user left paren inspect this in the accessible view main semi line right left right line feed const ID equals data dot c blank const left brace data colon user data right brace equals await create client left paren right paren dot auth dot get user left paren right paren semi blank const name equals data dot get left const if left paren ID const project line ID equals data dot get left line feed format circle user 1 of it user line tasks.ts suggest list user data 2 of 200 tasks.ts suggest list user.id semi inspect this in the accessible view left paren alt plus F2 right accessible view main landmark format showing 2 problems tree view error colon user data dot user is possibly null at line 12 and character 19 main landmark user dot user data error s e r d a t a dot u s u dot u uniform s e r dot question dot I d semi line feed semi quote format showing 1 problems tree view error colon no overload matches this main landmark tasks.ts dot from left paren dot insert left paren left bracket error left brace name description do line date project line ID status colon quote not started quote right brace line comma right brace comma line feed right space quote space you suggest list ser line ID inspect this in the accessible view main landmark tasks.ts editor format user line ID right brace use status project do line descript name left brace dot insert left paren left bracket error line feed,
If I get rid of the brackets type,
left bracket,
this will be
left
happy.
name, status colon, user line ID, right brace, right bracket, right bracket, right paren, format, showing 1, problems tree view, error colon, no overload matches this call, overload 1 of 2, left paren, values colon, left brace description colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, do line date colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, ID colon, undefined semi, name colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, project line ID colon, number bar null bar undefined semi, status colon, string bar null bar undefined semi, user line ID colon, string bar. One more. Bar undefined semi, right brace, options colon, left brace, semi, right brace bar undefined right paren, colon, Postgres filter builder less, greater, gave the following error. Type string is not assignable to type number. Overload 2 of 2, left
The
paren,
ID
value
is
error,
not,
main
okay.
landmark, dot from left paren, quote tasks quote right, dot insert, name. Description, do line date, project line ID. Status colon, quote not, project line ID, B. Plus. Showing 14, problems tree view, error colon, property assignment expected. Main landmark, space, plus, B. Plus. Line, comma, line feed, D, I, D, comma. Error. Error, suggest list, project line ID, inspect this in the accessible view, main landmark, format. No problems have, main landmark,
Here we go.
tasks, status colon, user line ID, right brace right paren. User line ID. Right, dot select left paren, quote ID quote right paren, semi, if left paren, error right paren, left brace, throw, right brace. Return redirect left paren, grab slash project slash dollar left brace project line ID right brace grab right paren, semi. Right brace else, const left brace error right brace equals await create client left paren, right brace else left brace. Dot update left paren, dot eq, if left paren, error right paren, left dot update left paren, left brace title colon, name, description, do line date right brace, dot, update left paren, title, space, T, I, T, space, T, I, T, L, E, colon, space, N, November. No problems have, main landmark, dot eq left paren, if left paren, error right paren, throw error semi, right brace, return redirect left paren, grab slash project slash dollar left brace project line ID right brace, blank, blank. Suggest list, port async function get tasks by project ID left paren, project line ID colon, string right paren, left brace, inspect this in the accessible view, explore, main land, left brace, blank. Const left brace data, error right brace equals await create client left paren, right paren, dot from left paren, quote tasks quote right paren, dot select left paren, quote start quote right paren, dot eq left paren, quote project line ID quote, project line ID right paren, semi, if left paren, error right paren, left brace throw error semi, right brace return data semi, right brace, inspect this in the accessible view left paren, alt plus accessible view, main landmark, task, format. No problems have ended, main landmark, blank, blank, right brace, return data semi, right brace.
Alright, let's see here. I'm going to copy the project form because it's going to be pretty similar.
Time tracker, tasks.ts files explore, level 2 actions not collapsed, level 1 app not selected expanded 2 of collapsed.
The project and the task are pretty similar, they're just underneath each other, so...
Components not selected, app not selected, component expanded. Level 2 project form.tsx not Level 1 components not selected expand. Level 2 project form copy.tsx 8 of 11. Type file name. Press enter to confirm. S.
Task 1.
Project form copy.tsx-time. Supabase logo. Task form.tsx 11 of 11. Main landmark. Task form.I. Import invariant from quote tiny. Import left brace input right brace from quote dot slash UI. Import left brace label right brace from quote dot. Import left brace button right brace. Import left brace. Export default function project form left paren. Left brace. Project form. P. O. J. E. T. F. Suggest. Task 1 of 1. Task form. Project. Right brace colon. Left. Project. Export default function task form left paren. Left brace. Project. B. Pop. Rename input. Type new name and press enter to commit. Edit selected task form.tsx editor has autocomplete multi-line project colon. Task. Successfully renamed project to task. Summary colon. Made 9 text edits in one file. Colon. Task. Comma. Comma. Left brace. Right comma. Task. Colon. Project. Task. Comma. Comma. Colon. Project. Left paren. Left brace. Project. Left task form. S K F O R M. Left brace. Comma. 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 Project. Left paren. Project. Comma. Comma. Left brace. Left brace. Project. Colon. Tables. Colon. Tables. Less quote. Left brace. Right brace colon. Line. Comma. T. Right space. Left brace. Project. Colon. Tables. Left brace. Left right. Left paren. Left paren. Left paren. Space. Space. B. Comma. Project. Space. Line feed. Left brace. Left M. R. O. R. M. Left line. Space. B. R. Romeo. Rename input. Type new name and press enter to commit. Edit selected project. Select.
Rename that to task.
Successfully renamed project to task. Summary colon. Made 9 text edits in one file. Task form.tsx editor head colon. Project. Left paren. Left brace. Project colon. Task. Colon. Left paren. Left brace. Project. Task selected. Comma. Space. Comma. Error. K. Error. Format. Left brace. Project. Colon. Left brace. Project. Project selected. K. Colon. Tables. Less quote. S. Less quote. B. Papa. R. O. J. E. T. F. Quote. Quote. Error. Error. S. Quote. Greater. Space. Right brace. Space. Left brace. Line feed. Invariant left paren. Task.name equals null. Quote project name is required. Quote right paren. Semi. Invariant left paren. Task.description equals invariant left paren. Task.name equal I. Left task. Dot. Bang. Name is required. Is name. Project. Project selected. Task. Name. Invariant left paren. I. Left dot. Descript bang equal null. Quote. Project. Project selected. T. K. Task description. Quote. T. A. S. K. D. Invariant left paren. Task dot do line date equals I. Left tab dot do bang. It quote right paren. Quote require is date. Do. Project. Project selected. T. Invariant left paren. Task dot ID equals null. Quote project ID is required. Quote right paren. I. Left paren. Dot. ID. Bang equals null. Comma. Quote. Project. Project selected. T. ID is quote right paren. Return left paren. Less form action equals left brace create and update project right brace greater. Less form action create and update right brace create and R E A T E A N D U B D A T E P Papa R O J E C T right brace. Suggest list create and update project 1 of 1 error. Task error. Less label greater. Less form action equals left brace create and update task right brace greater, error. import invariant from quote, import left brace create and update project right brace from quote at slash app slash action slash projects quote semi. Left brace create and update project. Right brace. Create and update right brace T C E J O R B E B. Project selected. T right brace from unselected. Suggest list. Create and update project 1 of 1. Error. Taskform.tsx editor has auto. Quote at app slash actions slash projects. Projects selected. T quote semi. Info unselected. Asks. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren. Alt plus F2 right paren. Tasks 1 of 1. Format. Taskform.tsx showing 1. Problems tree view. Error colon. Module quote at slash app slash action slash tasks quote has no exported member create and update task. At line 2 and character main landmark. Line quote semi. Tasks. Found 1 symbol in C colon. Import left brace create. Const left brace data colon. Export async function create task left paren. Data colon. Form data right paren. Ace function. Create R E A T. Create function async. Create task. Left paren K F A T E T. Taskform.tsx. No problems have been. Main landmark. Import left brace label. Import left brace input right brace. Import X invariant left paren. Task.name equals null. Quote task name is required. Quote right paren. Invariant left paren. Task.description equals invariant return less form action equals left brace less label greater name less input name equals quote name quote default value equals left brace task.name right brace slash greater less disc let do let right blank.
Alright, so the task form is done. I believe. Oh, I gotta add the project ID so it gets passed.
Blank. Right paren, less slash form greater, less button type equal, less input type equals quote hidden quote name equals quote ID quote value equals left brace task dot ID right brace slash greater. Line feed, greater, line feed. Less input type equals quote hidden quote name equals quote project line ID quote value equals left brace task dot project line ID right brace slash greater. Inspect this in the accessible view left paren, accessible view, main landmark.
I think I'm going to stop programming for now. I will come back and do another live stream when I'm ready to program again.
Time tracker West videos column 3 OBS 30 OBS start virtual camera check start recording stop streaming checkbox checked. Stop stream. Dialog you will not